Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to be unveiling for you, never before seen on a single YouTuber's channel, this year's most coveted holiday item, the Starbucks studded tumblers. Just kidding, those are way old news and this is a luxury channel, so I'm actually going to be unveiling for you this year's holiday items from Louis Vuitton. Look at that packaging. That is so gorgeous. It by far beats out their packaging from a few years ago, which was just the orange and then there was like the gold flowers and quatrefoils, and though that was gorgeous, this year I just love the colors. I think it's so pretty, and I did obviously purchase some items and it's gonna be from this year's holiday Christmas animation collection. So let's jump right in and see what I got. So we'll get into the first one here. Get this open. So they got the little ribbon and then the tag even matches. I'm gonna just slide this off and we will open her up. So this one's just a little item and it is the mini pochette with the Venice theme. I thought this was so cute. I actually just went to Venice this year. My mom and I took a tour around Italy, and so when I saw that they were coming out with this, I was like, yes, I have to get that. I just went there and it is so cute. I've been waiting so long for them to come out with a holiday animation theme that I was absolutely in love with. They've had some okay ones in the past, but nothing where I was like, yes, I need to get that. Until these. That is just so cute. So this particular animation is the little Vivian riding in a gondola on one of the great canals in front of a bridge. And then inside is the blue color. Oh, that is just so pretty. I love that. Even though blue is not one of my favorite colors, I love that they kind of mixed it up on the inside even to bring the blue watercolor onto the pull tab as well as to the interior, instead of just keeping it as the vachetta, however you'd like to pronounce it. And then the typical brown inside. I think this is just so pretty and it's just kind of painted on there. The back is still the monogram and I cannot wait to use this. I think it is so cute. And then for the next one, again, similar packaging here. We have the white ribbon, the cute little matching tag. Get this off. And yes, this one is very similar because this one is the same Christmas animation, only it is in the Paris theme with the little Vivian in front of the Eiffel Tower. And this one is so cute too. What I really loved about this one though is it is in the Damier Ebene print, so it is still slightly different. I do have the regular pochette in the monogram, so I'm glad I was able to mix things up a little bit. Inside of this one, you have that gorgeous red. They probably did this because the typical Damier interiors are red, and then the little pull tab is red as well. I think these are so cute. I can't wait to start using both of these. I could probably even attach one like to the outside of a larger bag if I want, just to give it some pizzazz, kind of as a bag charm or something, but I am in love with these. What I really love about the Christmas animation pieces is that they are not full-size bags. I probably wouldn't buy a full-size bag with a painting on it, but with small SLGs, they're a lot less expensive than a full-size bag. You can kind of mix them up depending on what color, and they're a little bit more affordable, so you can buy multiples if you can't decide. I could not decide between the two. I love this one because I just went to Italy, but I love this one because it was pink, and I was like, oh, I just have to have both. But that does it for my quick unboxing of this year's holiday animation items. Let me know if there's anything on your wish list that you're really wanting. Even if it's just a standard LV item, if you want to just add it to your collection, let me know down below, because I love chatting with you guys about what you're wanting, and then maybe that's something that I hadn't thought of to add to my collection. And it's handbags. I love talking about handbags, so just leave me a comment. If you do like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and until next time, thanks for stopping by. When I went into Target, literally everybody had them, but I just wanted to show you, if you can, get these. They're so cute.